Hey nerds, today we are going to learn about the proxy chain. It is help to hide yourself online while doing the scans by the tool present in the Kali. So let we look at the definition of the proxy chain. So what is proxy chain? Look at here. Proxy chains is a Unix command line tool that forces an TCP connection made by an application to flow through multiple proxy servers like Tor, Socket 4, Socket 5 or HTTP. By routing traffic through this chain, it hides your original IP address, evades restrictive firewall and enable application that lacks built-in proxy support to use proxies. So as we look at the definition, so let we move on the plan that we have created for our video to hide yourself in the online. So let's first we open the Excel draw. So our plan is like that. We will first so our plan is like in that we will connect to proton-vpn. That will help to hide our activities from our ISP, internet service provider, and they cannot able to see that we are connecting Tor. So then we are going to connect to Tor. That will help as proxy servers to our proxy chains, and at last they both will end up to scan to our client or the target we are going to scan. So it will result that our ISP will only see that we are connected to an Proton VPN and will not able to see that underneath of Proton VPN we are using Tor to scan or do whatever we are doing, and it's hide our original IP to the client or the target we are scanning. Now we have now discussed the plan. Let me open the virtual box and start our Kali machine so that we can do the practical and set up our configuration files and the tools. So now we are in the terminal of our Kali machine. Let me update the tool directories. Now our list is updated, so let me clear this and let me install some tools. First we are going to install the proton-vpn-cli. Now we are going to install Tor and ProxyChains 4. As I am having the Kali machine, it has pre-installed proxy chain, but if you are using different Linux machine, then you have to install it via apt or any other installer. Okay, so now the tools are installed, so first let me first do the Proton VPN part. So let me check the help menu of it. In the help menu, we have to first sign in to the Proton VPN using the command protonvpn sign in, and then we have to enter our username on that, and it will ask for the password, and we have to enter the same password we registered with. So let me put Proton VPN sign in. Now for finding the username, we have to go to Chrome or any browser you use, and there we have to search for Proton VPN free. Now in the other tab we will open the temp mail. It will help to create the account on it. So as we open the temp mail, you can copy the email from here and scroll down in the page of Proton VPN, and there you will saw the get Proton VPN free, and then you have to click with continue with free. Now you can register with your email and all, and after that in the setting page you will find your username and the password whatever you have kept. So I am not going to demonstrate that all, and we move to direct the part. I have already signed in, so I will skip this part and directly connect to the server of Proton VPN. So for connecting, we will type protonvpn connect command to connect to it, and it will start connecting to the server. Now as you can see, I am connecting to the Amsterdam, Netherlands, and my new IP is this. So after that, we are going to turn on the service of Tor. So for that, we will write the command sudo systemctl start Tor. It will start the service of Tor. For checking it, we will replace the start with status. So sudo systemctl status Tor, and it is showing active. So now our Tor service is activated, and we can move to our next step. Now we have only to configure the ProxyChains config file. So first we locate that file using locate ProxyChains, and at the top we can see the file name /etc proxychain4.conf. So we are going to edit with mousepad, sudo mousepad, and we have to use sudo command to edit it because it is not accessible with normal user. So as it will be open, so let me move to above, and there you can see there is first dynamic chain. Dynamic chain is used to first if you are new, then you have to uncomment it, and it is used to connect to the servers which is alive and skip those, and it also skip those servers who are dead. You can use other chains, but that are not flexible at it. Now as we move down, here we found that it is default set to Tor. That is what we need. So and where we move and then we will move up, and here we find that proxy DNS. You have to uncomment it too, because it helps to prevent any DNS leak which can occur during the scanning or tool if the server got disconnected. For checking, we will type ProxyChains curl http:// ifconfig.me, and here you can see that it is showing the IP of Tor machine, Tor exit node, and it is making us hidden online and give us pure anonymity. Now for stopping those all, we have to just type then first we have to stop the Tor. So we will type sudo systemctl stop Tor, and for checking the status of it, you can do same, replace stop with status, and you can see that it is showing inactive or dead. Now we are going to stop Proton VPN. For stopping Proton VPN, it is simple. You have to just type Proton VPN and disconnect. It will disconnect it from the Proton VPN. Now thank you for the video. Please come back to our channel, and please write a comment for us and follow for more videos and check the description.